Because unlike the much-hyped Robinhood deal, of course, I am chatting with CEO Vlad Tenev in just a bit, so you do not want to miss that. But it wasn't because of the Robinhood deal that I was excited about. That quickly broke down despite the attendant excitement. No, it was Gitlin and the stock of Carrier Global. Because it's been a huge winner. Because it's made you a ton of money since it came public in April of 2020. Get this. Here's a stock. It started trading at 13 bucks and change back then, and today it jumped to a new all-time high of $54 in the wake of another terrific quarter and one of the biggest surprises of the year. See, this heating, ventilation, I know, you hear that, right? Air conditioning company gave you tremendous sales and a monster earnings beat. Yes, with all the attendant excitement of the Robinhood revolution, I come to praise not folly, but wisdom. Boring, pedestrian wisdom. For those of you who don't remember Carrier was spun off when the old United Technologies broke itself up and merged with the remaining aerospace business with Raytheon. Carrier got a major boost thanks to the pandemic because COVID forced us to upgrade our air infiltration infrastructure. However, this huge upside surprise, coupled with gigantic buyback of the way, belonged to Dave Gitlin and his quiet team. And that's why I told his daughter, you should be so proud of the way your dad made so much money for investors. $13 to $54 in just 16 months? Well, that's why we do the show. That's what this is about. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not trying to take away anything from the story du jour, the Robinhood IPO. I think CEO Vlad Tenev, and I can't wait to speak to him, has created an incredible company. I've felt that way. I was the first one on CNBC to talk about it. It's one that makes it much easier for regular people to participate in the stock market. I wish they participated in the carriers, though. They're now also giving you a chance to participate in their business, and they gave many shares to their clients. But the deal, well, in retrospect, priced too high in an environment that's already oversaturated with IPOs. So then why am I so focused on this Carrier thing? Well, let me explain. See, Carrier represents a metaphor. It's a fable about how sometimes you need to bet on the humdrum, the tortoise, if you please, because heating, ventilation, and air conditioning is one of the most boring businesses on earth. So this was a great reminder that you can still make a lot of money by being boring. The most exciting thing that happened to Carrier this year is that they helped provide refrigeration for vaccines, and that's fine by me. See, unlike Robinhood, Carrier is deliciously not sexy. It hasn't brought anyone new into the stock market. It's not a mind-bending company like Robinhood. It's a metal-bending company. It's now laser-focused on heating and air conditioning with a pretty low profile since the United Technologies breakup. But you've probably walked by a Carrier machine thousands of times and never even thought twice about it. We had a Carrier air conditioner, I didn't even know. And you know what? You could have bought this terrific stock for a song. 6 times earnings, not sales, earnings, versus something like Robinhood that trades at an astronomical 25 times sales. Is there any reason why the stock didn't break down with that? I think companies like Carrier represent what you should be thinking about. They represent incredible value, especially now that it looks like the Congress is about to agree on $1 trillion infrastructure bill at a time when we've already got 6% GDP growth. By the way, same goes for similarly cheap cyclicals.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.